Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So yeah, it's looking good for the bulls at the moment. We continue to move up in this channel. In the previous videos, I made you aware that we can now make the bullish scenario, at least that's what I did, make the bullish scenario the primary scenario after we came up here. Did hold the wave too low. And yeah, since then we have moved up significantly, broke above that 14-15 level. And we are now hitting resistance at this channel. So a breakout of that channel would be the next bullish signal. At any point in time, we need to, now that we are in this channel, we need to be aware that at any point in time we could go up and down in here, and any pullback to that channel, just an idea, not telling you to buy, but could be a long trade idea, pullback trade setup. Yeah, anybody who's looking for entries, those pullbacks to trend lines can work nicely. They don't have to. Always use a stop loss, please. Always. But for now, it's looking like that in 5 waves, we are moving up in the direction of that wave 3. That is, therefore, scenario remains unchanged. We can still calculate, just double check again the target for the white wave 3. And that was here. Let me just double check that. Around 1690. Yeah, this is how it's looking like. If it moved from the previous video, it might be because that low became a bit lower, or moving everything around a bit. But no, target would be 1690 for this wave 3. Let me just double check if I did that all correctly. But yeah, from the beginning of the wave 1 to the low of the wave 2, that's the wave 3 projection. So that is what we're looking for next for white wave 3, and we're not far away from that, to be honest. We've moved today nicely already, and this is sort of there will be ups and downs in that move. You don't think it's going to go up in a straight line. Well, maybe it does in a very bullish environment, and yeah, we might be getting there quite quickly, but that would also require a breakout of that channel. So keep an eye on that. First of all, keep an eye on a pullback to that trend line, and keep also an eye on the breakout above the channel. The breakout point would be here, $1,505. Now again, it could move along here a while. Yeah, that's what markets do. They move up, they consolidate. And then the consolidation, yeah, anybody who wants to do a trade, one possible idea would then be to trade the breakout of that consolidation or to trade a pullback. Yeah, because I know a lot of people are now looking for an entry. Now, best entry point for me personally now, anybody who missed it, yeah, if you didn't buy and you think you missed the boat now, you don't want to jump on the train, good confirmation level in my opinion would be to wait for that overall higher level wave 3. Now that could be way above $2,000, I have to tell you, because the way this is looking like with a 1-2, another 1-2, and here another 1-2, this can be quite an extended one above $2,000. But when we get to this, then there will be a wave 4 pullback, and the wave 5 up will be way over 2,000 in my opinion. That blue wave 5, and then all of that will be corrected again, and then we could drop another 50%. Okay, so this would then be those 50%, they might be another entry point for anybody who lost. But I can tell you, in my opinion, we're still very early. Can't 100% exclude the possibility of another drop, of another lower low below 880. But at the moment, as long as we are holding those trend lines, and as long as, I have to say very clearly, as long as, first of all, we are holding this wave 2 low at 1316, we can go and continue to expect higher prices. But that's only the first level. So 1316 would invalidate the imminent scenario. Then it's important to hold 1182, and I believe only below $1,000 I would again focus on the bearish scenario. For now, we can, it's adhering to the bullish scenario very, very well. And that breakout above 1380, above 1280, made the bullish scenario much more likely, and we're currently following it quite nicely. So there's always been the potential for a breakout. That's why we have been tracking an impulsive move here to the upside since the absolute low here. Yeah, I made you aware that this has been the best possibility for a breakout in the last 7 months. Now, it was not primary expectation. Couldn't be below 1280. Now it has become primary expectation, which doesn't mean it is 100% guaranteed it's going to go up. There is still uncertainty. Welcome to financial markets. But we can go with the current scenario until it gets invalidated. Okay, and that is my view about Ethereum. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.